Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your January love and work forecast for Scorpios. If your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Scorpio, this reading is for you. If you know a Scorpio, you can cross watch it for them, friends. Make sure to subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like, share, join us on Instagram. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. So, friends, let's see how your theme of the month will be, and then your love and work will be. Scorpios for January. Happy New Year, Scorpios. Let's see the theme of the month of January for Scorpios. Wow, very quick your cards came out. The Justice. Oh my God, Scorpios. This is a powerful, powerful month for you. This is a month of justice. This is a month of balance coming back into your lives, things balancing out in your life. Ten of Cups, family will be very, very important for you. I also feel. Not just family, inheritances, houses, properties, all these things will again be very important. Some of you could also be thinking about shifting, relocating into your back to your roots, or back towards something new. So shifting, relocation is there, justice is there. Justice is life getting back into balance. Page of Swords, yes, some new insights will come to you, friends. Scorpios, this is the month where something new will reveal itself to you. This situation, this information was not available to you in the past, but now it will be. So it will change the way you think or see life. So, Three of Swords, yes, you are going to recover from heartache, you are going to recover from health issues. You are also going to recover from any sort of losses you have faced in the past, Scorpios. This is a very powerful energy. And I also feel that not only will you be recovering, this is like justice, this is like karma saying, hey, you went through a lot, now let me give you back the good things in life, let me care for you. So this is the good you have done that's returning back, friends. And I do feel there are things which there are situations which or information that you are not aware of right now, and when it happens or when it comes to you in January, things will shift in your favor. Everything is like this is a knob turning, something, some clarity will come, some inspiration will come, or some situation you will get an idea, or some situation happens, and that automatically will tell you that yes, life, it will explain everything to you why certain things happen some way. I also see if you are having legal issues, your victory is definite, because you have the Page of Swords. Your victory is definite, and things will be more in your favor. I also feel this month you could be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Air sign could be important for you. I also feel communications are a problem for you, Scorpio, or they could be tricky this month for you, because you have the Three of Swords and the Page of Swords. So you want to communicate, but you don't know how, or you don't feel like communicating, talking, or expressing too much. But you will have to communicate, you will have to express, because this is what will help you to achieve long term success this month. So, this is like destiny telling you you are their favorite child. So well done, Scorpios. Let's see your love life. And how are you doing, friends? My God, I started the new year with a cold. Oh, but it will go. It will go. I am sure it will go away very quickly. It's very cold, It's really very, very cold where I am. So yeah, but I'm enjoying. I like the winter weather a lot. So I have nothing to, complain about it. I'm like, wow, I'm so happy. I don't mind it. Let's see, some cards dropped out. Oh my God, the entire deck is here, I think. Scorpios. Okay. So let's see, Scorpios. First week of January, wow. The Eight of Swords, the Strength, the Eight of Pentacles, and wow. So some of you are definitely dealing with marriage or long-term commitment situations. Even if you are single, it is on your mind, marriage and long-term commitment. Yes, Eight of Swords. I do feel you are feeling a little blocked or restricted in the first week. You could be feeling like, You could be feeling like you don't have any options, you don't have choices, or you are restricted by destiny in some way or the other. But Air of Pentacles, I do feel this is the month where, options. This is the week where you will see options, other ways also, other options, new doors, new ideas, new inspirations are opening for you in your love life in the first week. I also see communications will be coming your way, communication from a past lover, communication from a new person. Yes, some of you, your twin flames could be messaging you in the first week, or somebody new is coming towards you, and that person has a strong important role in your life to play. For Nine of Cups, yes, I do feel happiness will come your way. Definitely in the first week you will find happiness, and marriage is on your mind. Marriage, long term success, long term commitment is on your mind. I also feel if you're already married, a celebration could be coming your way. You could be going on a holiday, you could be traveling or celebrating some success in your relationships. Let's see the second week. All right. The second week, definitely, you are in a very Scorpio energy. You're very intense. You are in deep thoughts, Scorpios, in the second week. High Priestess, yes, you will feel very intuitively connected to your partner. They will also feel very intuitively attached to you. There is a telepathic connection, the world. Yeah, I do feel you could be dealing with somebody who lives in a different city or country. You could also be dealing with a person from your past. Somebody is returning back from your past. It is not yet over with them, and you feel very, very intensely connected with this person. The moon, yes, the second week is highly romantic, it is highly emotional. You will have to make your way out through using your intuition. So, listen to your intuition. The Emperor, yeah, I do feel. Your partner may keep their feelings hidden to you, and this may frustrate you in the second week, Scorpios. Uh, so you must use your intuition. You are very connected to this person, so you can use your intuition. That's your GPS, that's your wireless to talk with them, and it's free, it's God given, so use it. I think what some of you asked me, what will happen in the coming years as a psychic, as a tarot reader. I'm supposed to tell you these things, right? It's my job. Well, one thing is for sure, we are all going to get very psychic, and we will not need phones to converse with people. Our hearts will be enough. So yes, and Scorpios, you are the master of this game. So use it in the second week of January. Let's see the third week of January. So in the third week of January, yes, things. Third week of January is a little slow. Things may feel like there is confusion. The things are stuck. Also, yes, there may be other things affecting your love life, pressures, other sort of family pressures. Your person could be from a different religion, culture, that could be affecting. If you are married, your parents or your in-laws might be affecting your relationships, or duties, like you have to take care of them, so that could affect your love life. Ace of Pentacles, yes, I do feel some of you, your love life could also be affected by a new job offer that's coming your way in the third week. Either you or your partner may get a new job offer, and it might actually cause some confusion in your love life, but all is good in the third week. Let's see the final week. Wow. Wow, I do feel transformation, big, huge Scorpio energy is coming. I do feel this is the fourth week is the week where things will shift, change in your love life. Like some bad things will, some hurt and pain is healed, and something new is beginning for you. Six of Cups, soulmate is definitely near for you, and I also feel love is definitely sweet in the last week of January. Page of Cups, Knight of Cups, sorry. A Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person could also be important. I also see there is more your partner who was not expressing will now be expressing their love more openly, more romantically. Four of Wands, chance of a wedding. Yes, this is the month, this is the week when you may decide to get married or settle down. Three of Pentacles, yes, you and your lover will get along very, very well in the final week. So let's see some advice for you, Scorpios, and then we are going to see advice for Scorpios. Ooh, the Tower, third eye chakra and the triumph. Oh my god, 6 7 16 1 6 6 7. Wow, that's interesting. So yes, there are certain things which are crumbling in your love life, Scorpio. Certain fears, certain hurt and pain, which was quite dragging on, some baggage in your love life, that is going to end. But if you listen to your intuition, your love life is very strong. If you listen to your intuition, you are going to meet the person of your life or heal the connection. Triumph, you will be successful in your love life. No matter what happens in January, you are going to achieve the love that is yours, and it is destined. Let's see your work and career, Scorpios. Positive movement forward, patience, awareness. All right. Okay. So, positive movement forward. Wow. This month, Scorpios, you are definitely moving forward in your work and career. You are taking some chances. You are moving forward. I also see if your hard work was not paying off, this is the month when things start to fall into place automatically because you have the justice. So luck is with you. Patience, yes. I do feel your hard work is going to pay off, Scorpios. What you are waiting for, it will happen. I do see money coming your way. I see justice happening for you. Legal issues going in your favor. Inheritance is coming for you. Property, if you are looking for a property, you will find it. If you are looking for admissions, it will happen. Yes, be patient. Things are working out for you. Awareness, yes, friends. I do feel you are very powerful, Scorpios. You know what you want and you can achieve it this month. So just be aware that to stay positive and to act positively because again, look at that passions, ace of wands, passions ignited. So I do feel a new start is going to happen for your work and career. I do feel you are going to fall in love with your skills, your divine gifts. Some of you could also discover a new hidden talent in you. So well done. Base chakra again one. You have a lot of power at your work and career. You are all one. I also feel the base chakra is reminding me that you have a lot of power, friends. You are very strong. You are more stronger than you think, and you are more bolder than you know. So go after your dreams and do not settle for less. Also, in your work and career, ego issues can happen. So remember not to go for the ego. Keep your patience high. Be humble at work because you are a leader. Ultimately, success will happen with the humble ones. So remain humble, remain kind, remain patient because you are the winner. 111 and 8, you are the winner. You are certified from destiny to be a winner this month. So no, even if you are kind and humble, it will go in your favor. Wonderful energies, Scorpio. You are destiny's favorite child. Absolutely. Ask and you shall receive. See, whatever you need, you can ask, Scorpio, and you will achieve it. And sacred plan, yes, there is a sacred plan in your life, and you know that. It will be revealed, it will be shown to you. Something is missing from your life, and it will be shown to you. Honesty, yes, be honest and communicate. Communications are a problem. I told you, right? I told you earlier also. So focus on the communications. Ooh, these two cards also want to come out. So, a woman might be important for you, friends, and dog barking, advice from a friend. So, yeah, people will advise you, a friend, possibly. Pleasure with a close friend. So, a friend may fall in love with you this month. Horseshoe, luck is with you. Scorpios, elephant, a long journey, either physical or mental, will leave you wiser at the end. So, I told you, you are very wise this month. Flute, disappointment in a friend or a lover. Yeah, somebody may disappoint you also this month. Cobweb, protected from negative forces beyond your control. You are very protected, friends, this month. Barrel, you feel something is lacking in your life, perhaps money or goals. I feel whatever is lacking is coming to you, or it will be shown how you can achieve it. Haystack, karma, you will reap what you have sown. So wow, love is definitely, this is a very destined month for you, friends. This is a karmic blessing month for you. Muddled, unclear thinking. Yeah, one thing I would suggest you is to keep your thoughts clear. so that you can achieve much more, because you know this is ask and you shall receive. So that's it now, Scorpios. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram, and to buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.